Good day guys, it's your mentor in Forex Top Secret. Today we're just going to talk about how to make money trading gold. How to make money trading gold. This is what we're going to do today, guys. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about making money trading gold. Some of you know it as XAUUSD. Some of you know it as gold. Whatever you know it as. But can you make money trading gold? The answer is yes. You can make a lot of money trading gold. Unlike currencies, gold pays, guys. No currencies pay, but gold pays as well, as is classified as not currency actually, and not indices actually. So it's one of those metals that you can invest on. So can you make money? The answer is a big yes. So what we are going to do today is we are going to look at that. But before we do that, just go rush to the description below. You will see a forex trading broker that I recommend, simply because their customer service is off the top, and I've been using it for 2 years. So you can click on that after this video to go check their promotions, and they have a 50% deposit bonus and other benefits thereof, like same day withdrawals, and you can trade your own currency as per your country. It doesn't matter if you use Japanese yen, you use rands, you can be able to form a trading account using that broker. Not only that, you can also go ahead and click the link for my Forex channel in Telegram. Not only that, you can also contact me. You can also send me a contact. You can actually text me on WhatsApp. You can send me an email. I do respond, guys. I do respond. I'm back for good. Now let's look at it. Let's look at it. The strategy. Now, first thing first, guys. When you are trading gold, guys, you'll notice that gold is going up and down, guys. Gold is really going up and down. So when you are trading it, you're supposed to look at it in a bigger time frame first. Like for instance, if you want to trade on daily basis, you can start looking at the daily chart, or you can even go further by looking at the weekly chart to check how is gold doing on weekly basis. Or you can look at the daily time frame to check how does it operate on daily basis. And you can look at the 4-hour chart, you can look at the 1-hour chart, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. But let's look at the daily first. To see how gold is behaving on a daily basis. How gold is really behaving on a daily basis. That's what's important. Now, if you look at the daily, guys, and we draw some type of a trend line, it doesn't need to be perfect, but it's just an indication of how the market is going. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just how the market is going, to get a picture of how the market is really performing. It doesn't need to be perfect. You realize that the market is really forming some kind of a U turned upside down. What do I mean by that? It's forming some kind of this form. Now, some of you are like, what now? What are we looking at now? We are looking at the overall trend of the market on a daily chart. Now, if you look at this, you realize that the market is constantly shooting to the downside. Since it reached this peak, is shooting to the downside, and it broke this trend and then shooting to the downside. That's what daily time frame is telling us. Now, not only that, let's look at the 4-hour time frame. In a 4-hour time frame, things are different, guys. Things are really different. In a 4-hour time frame, we had a downtrend. In a 4-hour time frame, we have a downtrend, we have short movements. We have short movements, guys. We have short movements. We have a downtrend and break above this downtrend. And break above this downtrend, guys. We have short movements and break above this, which means in a 4-hour time frame, the market is telling us that it's going up. Now, let's look at the down. Let's look at the Let's look at the 1-hour time frame and see where are we going. If you look at the 1 hour, you realize that we have this trend here. We realize that we have this consolidation and then this trend here. Now, on a 1-hour chart, is telling us that we on an uptrend, but also we need to close this gap and then continue on the uptrend. That's what 1 hour is telling us. Just like 4 hours, we on the uptrend. Although on a daily is telling us we on a downtrend, but daily, guys, is looking at the short, is looking at the long term, the whole day, which is per candlestick. So I would like us to focus on the direction of 4 hour going down. Now let's look at 30 minutes chart and see. 30 minutes chart, it is telling us that we are on the uptrend, but it seems according to 30 minutes we'll reach the peak. Like I said, guys, I'm not drawing this thing perfectly. I'm just drawing them just to check the trend. How is it going? But still, it's going to completely process and shoot to the upside. Definitely. Now 30 minutes is telling us the same uptrend. But what amazed me about all this time frame is, if you look at 4 hours, we are in the early of the uptrend. But if you look at this, you realize that there's a resistance here. There's a resistance. This is probably a false breakout coming back. If it doesn't retest and go up, it's going to go down and complete this part. This is what I think. But let's look further, guys. Let's look further. Let's look further. Let's look further, guys. Let's look further. Sacrifice. Let's look further, guys. Let's look further. Now on 30 minutes, on 15 minutes time frame, by looking at this, you realize that the market might turn. The market might turn to this direction and keep going. The market might turn here and keep going up, or the market might, break below this because it's kind of like double top, double head and shoulder formation created here, or double top kind of thing. It's not double top, actually head and shoulder kind of thing. If you look at this, first shoulder, second shoulder, and the market might drop to the bottom. But not only that, guys, not only that, we can also look at the Steve Maru ADR. Like I said, I'm gonna make a video on beat the market maker methods and explain it further as to what is it that we're gonna look for. So that's we're gonna look at that, but I'm just gonna enlighten you a bit about that. Now, in a beat market maker methods, we have something like this, guys. 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 We have something like this. We have a situation, guys. We have a situation whereby the market move from this direction to this direction, and then longs are stayed wrong, and to this direction longs are staying one, this direction longs are staying one, just like that. Now ADR is telling us that this is ADR is telling us that this is the first level, this is the second level, this is the third level, which is ADR. First level, second level, third level. But every after there's a long sustained run, then long sustained run, then long sustained run. But we can also look at the higher highs and higher lows. The higher highs and higher lows. Now, what do we mean by that? The previous high is higher than the previous high is lower than the next high. The next high is higher than the previous high. What do I mean by that? The market came and retest this area and should make the higher high. Retest this area, should make the higher than the previous high. Retest around these areas and should making the higher highs. Now, what is the bottom line to this? All of this is that if you're trading gold, just look from the 4-hour time frame going down. If maybe you want to enter your trades on a 15 minutes chart, so that you can be able to see how far you can go with your trades. And I'll put out the video that will also explain the market maker methods. I'll put out like a 1-hour video which you can check out. So what is the conclusion, guys? The conclusion is the market will go retest this area and go down to complete the entire circle. To complete the entire circle, and then keep going up like it can be. To complete the entire circle, what I mean is that you see the market is going up, right? Then the market came down. To complete the cycle, now the market went up. The market will come down and complete to this area, and then the market start shooting up just like that. As you can see, the market has been going in this thing, this form. But anyway, guys, we can expect that the gold will pull down to this side or will keep shooting to the upside to reach this high again and then shoot to the downside. That's how you can master gold, guys. That's how you can make money in gold. Now, please don't forget, to subscribe to this YouTube channel. We are heading to 1,000 subscribers before the end of May. At least 1,000 subscribers before the end of this month. So around May we'll be gunning for 3,000 subscribers, just like that. Before the end of this year, we're supposed to be at least 100,000 subscribers, me and you. So then more people, we can guarantee that more people are making money using these top secrets. So tell your friends to tell their friends to come and subscribe to this channel and watch these videos, so then we can make money together. Don't forget to check a Forex broker that I recommend in the bottom. So it's your top secret Forex mentor signing out.